In this video, we'll do the derivative of f of g of x. So this is the chain rule. So this will be the limit as h goes to 0 of f of g of x plus h minus f of g of x all over h. So now we're going to multiply this by the quantity g of x plus h minus g of x all over g of x plus h minus g of x. So that is equal to 1, so we're not modifying anything. We can split these limits up. Limit as h goes to 0 of these terms together. This will be f of g of x plus h minus f of g of x all over g of x plus h minus g of x. And then the other terms will be another limit as h goes to 0 of g of x plus h minus g of x all over h, where this is the derivative of g of x, so that's g prime of x. Take the limit to take it to the outside of the limit, so the limit of h goes to 0. And so instead of h, we're going to do delta x equal this bottom term, so the denominator is g of x plus h minus g of x. As h goes to 0, delta x approaches g of x plus 0 minus g of x. So that's g of x minus g of x, which is approaching 0. So instead of h approaching 0, we'll write delta x approaching 0. And also g of x plus h. If we move the g of x to the other side, it'll just be g of x plus delta x. So this will be the limit as delta x goes to 0 of f. And I'll move some of this stuff on the other side. So this will be f of g of x plus h, which is g of x plus delta x, minus f of g of x will keep the same. And this was h before, so I erased it, but it's the same now. This will be delta x. And this you can treat as the variable now, so this will be g prime of x. And this will just be f prime of g of x. And that is the end of the video.